Hello everyone, welcome to NH Tech. In today's video, we are going to perform a transient simulation of a simple RC circuit using Keysight Advanced Design System. Let's get started. First, create a new schematic in ADS. From the component palette on the left side, place a resistor and a capacitor into the schematic window. Set the resistance value to 1 kilo ohm. Next, place a pulse voltage source. You can press F5 to adjust the text position and make the schematic look clean and readable. Now connect the components properly. Connect the voltage source to the resistor, then connect the resistor to the capacitor, and finally connect the other terminal of the capacitor to ground. Make sure to place a ground reference from the top toolbar. Next, assign wire names to the input and output nodes. This step is important because it allows us to easily select these nodes later for plotting the results. Now configure the pulse source parameters. Set V low to 0 volts and V high to 6 volts. Set the pulse width to 5 milliseconds and the period to 10 milliseconds. This means the signal will stay high for 5 milliseconds and low for 5 milliseconds, forming a complete 10 millisecond cycle. After that, insert the transient simulation controller into the schematic. Set the maximum time step to 1 microsecond and the stop time to 20 milliseconds so that we can observe multiple charging and discharging cycles. Now set the capacitor value to 1 microfarad. At this point, the circuit is ready for simulation. Run the simulation. Once it is complete, open the data display window. Insert a rectangular plot and select both the input and output node voltages. When you plot them, you will observe that the input is a square wave, while the output across the capacitor shows an exponential charging and discharging waveform, which is the typical transient response of an RC circuit. This demonstrates how transient analysis allows us to study circuit behavior in the time domain. That's all for today's video. In the next session, we will move toward analyzing a more complex circuit using transient simulation. Thank you for watching NH Tech.